Welcome back and thanks for tuning in. In this episode, I have here a review and a quick tutorial of all the settings and functions on this digital torque wrench. If you are new, please consider to subscribe. And I want to explain you guys, I do the same video in Spanish and English. In case you see a video with the title in Spanish, and look under the videos and you are going to find the right video for your language. Well guys, as you can see, I'm torquing down these camber plate bolts on my Mitsubishi Mirage 97, and these bolts, these particular nuts use 33 foot-pounds of torque. Okay guys, I want to explain something really quick here. The instructions came with these digital torque wrench. Digital torque wrench are pretty confused, and as you can see here in the video, I was kind of stuck in here. I wasn't able to figure why all these square shape symbols are showing in the display, and I, after in a while, realized that that's some sort of indication to know that the angle sensor has been on angle function for too long of period. One or two other reason can be is you move the torque wrench abruptly or too quick, and that's why you are getting that signal. You can fix this putting the torque wrench in a flat spot, in a flat area, in a flat surface, and hit the clear button. That's the one with the C. On the video you can notice in a little while I get this torque wrench working again, because I put completely horizontally, in a horizontal manner, the wrench and hit the clear, and that's fixed this issue. But was just by casualty. I don't even know what I was doing at this certain moment, but thankfully I could figure out all the functions. Okay guys, here you can see that's a Newton meter metric and foot-pounds, and also do inches by pounds. And once again, this thing gives me the same error. Now at this point I was wondering if it was the batteries, and I'm going to remove the batteries from the compartment, and as you can expect it, the battery compartment lid goes flying over.
A few moments later.
Perdóname. Ok, es que... Oh, it's a miracle. I just figured out how to fix this. This is what I was talking about earlier. When I put the torque wrench horizontally, the angle sensor reset by itself. It's a little bit complicated, but remember, it's really important to have a torque wrench with the angle capability, because there's a lot of OEM bolts that use, like, for say 30 pounds of torques, then 25 degrees of angle. That's why it's so important. Okay, let me try the angle. That's 3 degrees. Okay, we are ready now. Let's try the angle mode on this torque wrench. I'm gonna set this to 10, but as you can see, I was doing it wrong. That's 100, not 10. Okay, now we are talking about that's 10 degrees. But I just remember I already torqued this down to 33, so let's do only 5. Wow, what a relief. I finally understand this digital torque range. As you can see, that worked like a charm.
De hecho, ya
And
se
just to
apretó de más.
confirm,
Es lo que me
yes,
estaba,
I
eso es lo que me
am
estaba
over
refiriendo.
tightening this knot.
Voy a dejarlo así.
As I mentioned before, here's the battery compartment. As you can see, have the center button to hold the socket. Also is reversible, but I'm not sure if it can be done a torque. It can be used to remove bolts and measuring the torque. I read all over the internet that's harmful to the actual torque wrench, so try and avoid that. Okay, I got this tool because the snap-on costs like 6 or 6.5 hundred, and I get this tool from eBay. Was in a auction from a pawn shop, and this tool new cost around 190 or 250 depending on where you buy it, and was sold by Lois. um, I was also considering the Husky from Home Depot, but as why but I do my research and end up figuring out the Husky one is not through digital. Just the digital part is just a screen to set the amount of torque you are going to apply, and don't give you feedback like this Kobalt one does. And the only difference I found between the snap-on and this one is the snap-on vibrate. So this one don't do that. Don't offer that option. Also, the Matco, as I can understand, stop giving torque when you achieve the set. This one you have to stop and giving force when you hear the beep and reach the red light. Also, I'm going to leave a link in the description below in case I found this on Amazon, so you can go there and buy one. And if you do that, you are supporting my channel because I get a little commission at no expenses to you. Thanks in advance. As you can see here, this torque wrench is in pristine condition. This is the only sign of use, and this is obviously it's gonna have it because you put the socket. It even have the protective film on the screen, and this is the only thing I found. Oh no, sorry, this is an impression mark when it's casting the plastic part, so it's perfect. And I get this torque wrench to use on my SR20 fully forged engine build, so stay tuned. Remember, hit the subscribe button, and as always, get your hands dirty and make it happen. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.